So, hello and welcome, guys. It's a wonderful, wonderful Thursday, almost getting close to Friday. My name is Thomas, and I will conduct the following webinar for you. We have a lot of activities going on the financial markets. Markets have been very, very volatile recently. So the last few days, they've been just going crazy. Going mostly down with a few pullbacks, but the prevailing direction was downwards. So anyways, my name is Thomas. I would like to remind this if someone might have forgotten that. I'm an analyst and a trader with Olymp, and I've been trading for pretty much roughly 10 years. Been in the financial markets and been exposed to the world of financial trading. So welcome. And guys, following our Tuesday's webinar conducted by my colleagues who explained the diving strategy in details. So today is my turn to pay them a favor and to do a live trading session. So in this trading session today, in the following trading session today, I will not really do much of a theory talks and things like that. I will instead focus myself on the practical side of things, and I will open trades. I will probably open roughly 15 to 20 trades, which will demonstrate various possible setups with diving trading strategy, so that you can so in my opinion, it's all about practice, right? So maybe 10% of your time should be devoted to theory, and then the remaining 90%, or I would say the prevailing 90%, should be dedicated to practice, because practice makes perfect. Practice is the only way, only practical way to learn anything, right? You don't really, even in school, right? You ideally, if you want to learn physics, you just need to go ahead and throw an apple. That's pretty much how Newton discovered the law of gravity. That is how you learn. So guys, let me go ahead and so first of all, we need to go to this tab, to our indicators section, and there you will need to go down a little bit and select trading strategies. So by clicking this button, you will have this special tab. So I have 27 available strategies because I haven't. So you can also they are divided into starter, advanced, and expert categories. So we have got 3 categories of trading strategies on our platform, and the third one is this locked. 4 of them I've purchased on my account, but 11 remain locked, and I can unlock them by pressing here, and I will need to go to market, and I will need to go buy this double Bollinger trading strategy, and you can watch a brief tutorial or a brief explanation about how everything works here with these trading strategies. So one of the markets are moving fast, I guess. Anyways, guys, so let's go ahead and trading strategies. Let's select a trading strategy called diving. So it is available, I would say, for most of our traders, because I guess almost everyone can trade and can afford trading on advanced level, because it's not that difficult and it doesn't cost that much. So this strategy, how this strategy works. So the basic signal in this strategy comes from the combination of 3 indicators, which are basically the parts or the components of this strategy. So indicator number 1 is the 20 SMA, so the simple moving average with a period of 20. So in this trading strategy, you have got to have say 20. So the price has to be above the 20 SMA, so this line. rate of change, the rate of change has to be above the midline, this zero line, and the 14 ROC, so the rate of change indicator with a period of 14, so the one that takes into account the values of the last 14 candlesticks, it also has got to be above the midline. So given all these three components are in place, we can open a trade in the upwards direction, and let me demonstrate you how this works. Okay, so I check I don't have my annotations tool, but anyways, my drawing tool. So basically I have a check mark, check mark, check mark. So upwards, upwards, upwards. That's it. I don't really need anything else. I don't really have to say connect or somehow like find the moment when maybe this candlestick ends or that candlestick or the next candlestick begins. I don't really have to kind of like associate the action of opening a trade with this moment. It doesn't really have to be like that. You just open trades like whenever you have. I can go ahead and open one more trade right now. So as long as the necessary conditions, the necessary prerequisites are there, you can just go ahead and open as many trades as you wish. So now, okay, let me go ahead and select. Okay, what I want to select. Okay, let's select this trading strategy. So the Euro GBP. Basically, all the conditions are there. The setup is there. The signal is there. We have the. So first of all, let's have a look at the position of the price in relation to the 20 SMA, and we can see that the current price is trading under the 20 SMA, under this line. Then the 7 ROC is also under the midline, and the 14 ROC is also okay. Well, it was under the midline in this on the previous candlestick. Not anymore, but well, until it can happen like that, right? You don't really know what will be the next color, like in the next direction. You just trade as it is. You are not trying to forecast. You're not trying to predict the future, which in fact you kind of do, but you don't really want to be. You don't want to go crazy about it. You just it works a little different, right? You get a signal and you open a trade. So you don't really try and think, okay, is this trade going to be a profitable one, or is this trade going to be a losing one? So how do I make only profitable trades? No, this is not the proper mindset in trading. The proper mindset in trading would be, hey, I have the signal. I have so these three indicators, the three components of this strategy are aligned in a certain way. So do I open a trade? Do I have a signal? Yes, I do, or not, I don't. So if I have a signal, then if the signal is there, then I go ahead and open a trade. I don't really hesitate. I don't really wait. I just I just go ahead and open trades. So it just works like that. Okay, so gold. Okay, so my first trade on gold closed with a profit. That's fine. The Euro GBP. I'm a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I want to go ahead and cancel this trade. I felt a little bit unsure about this trade, and what I want to do is I want to open this trade once again, but a little bit closer. Something like this. I wanna get a little better price. So this is a little bit of advanced move. So canceling a trade and trying to re-enter the same asset and the same, I would say, signal with a pending order. So this clock means pending orders. So timely controlled orders. It's a little bit advanced, but hey, you can do that as well. If you have enough experience and you know how to act fast. All right, so what about Bitcoin? All right, let's go ahead and open a trade. Okay, guys, what I did here in my next trade, which is a Bitcoin trade, I looked at the 20 SMA and I figured out that, I mean, like, I don't really have to figure it out. I mean, it is there right in the chart. It's obvious. I see it. Yeah, the price is trading here. The 20 SMA is here. And yeah, all the signals were there. So the 7 RSC was under the midline. The 14 RSC was well under the midline, and that's pretty much the signal. You don't really have, so like I said, you don't have to kind of like think too much about it. You just trust your eyes. Basically, that's my point. I'm trying to get this point through. Trust your eyes. So if you see something is red, then it's probably red. If you see something is green, then it's probably green. If you see that the price is trading, is like right now, it is under the 20 SMA, it is under the 20 SMA. If you see that the 7 ROC and the 14 ROC, they're both pointing downwards, they're like the areas are under the midlines, yeah, like what else you're gonna need? What else do you need? Like of course, you can wait for, you know, like pullbacks. Okay, I like this example, and maybe I will open this trade a little bit even. Yeah, I wanna get a better price here, but man, I love this. Yeah, this signal is all right. Now we are dropping. Okay, I will probably set another pending order. So I have 2 pending orders here in this trade right now. So 1 trade activated, and where is my next? Where is my? All right, so I have two trades. Okay, it's a little bit confused because it wasn't turning into an order. So yeah, the signal is there, so don't really need anything else. Okay, so now, okay, I want to go to my closed trades. The Euro GBP, which I canceled. Yeah, that was the right decision. Okay, so I canceled it and I was right about it. Okay, okay, Euro GBP, let's go ahead and place one more pending order. Okay, Asia Composite Index. Yeah, is the signal there? You know, you can ask yourself this question. I think yes, there is. We are trading under the 20 SMA. Yeah, I mean all the signals are there. So let's go ahead and yeah, open this trade. So yeah, why not? Okay, I'm a little bit confused here because this 7 ROC is not really going anywhere. It's kind of going sideways. Okay, I will probably wait out and wait for a better signal, like in this case as well. Not a clear signal here, so I want to get a better signal. The Euro CAD, Bitcoin closed. Okay, so almost closed with a profit, but still closed with a loss. All right. Oh well. Okay, so Asia Composite Index is dropping. Yes, I personally like these indices because they are very, very technical, and not just technical, but I would say they are trendy. Okay, and what I like about trading is I like when there is a kind of like strong visual trend. Oh wow, Eurocat, come on, stop here, don't go up, stay here. Whew. Wow, that was closed. So this first one closed definitely with a enough room. Yeah, okay, and yeah, so closed with a profit. Nice. So the Euro card. Yeah, I think we can open one more trade. So the signal is there, and I think we have a lot of like room to drop. So I think the next level of support will be this one. So we are still 30 pips away from it. So there is plenty of room for downfall. So yeah. And the Euro GBP chart, so the Euro against the pound. Hi, bro. Let's go. Hello. Yeah, let's go trading. So, nice, nice. This is what I've been telling you. So these assets, these indices, they are very, very technical, and I would say even more importantly, they are trendy. Okay, so there are trends. Now the signal is gone. I don't see any signal because the 20 SMA tells us to open trades downwards, and as well as the 14 ROC, but the fast ROC, so this one is the slow ROC, so the slow rate of change, and the fast rate of change is telling us open trades, open trades upwards. Yeah, that's right. Wow. Sell gold, buy platinum. This is okay. I'm just reading a comment from our chat. This is all rubbish. Sell gold, buy platinum. Hydrogen industry needs platinum as catalyzers. Platinum is white gold. Gold is not rare metal. There are so many metal. Every metal has their own use. I totally agree, and I think why so gold is now losing. I think is slowly losing its kind of like feature or kind of like this thing that everyone thinks of gold as a way as a means to save money and like a safe haven, things like that. And I mean like it is an industrial material, and you need gold, you need silver, you need platinum in many high tech areas and high tech. Oh wow, wow, we're dropping on Bitcoin so hard. Wow, 1% down in just 3 minutes. Oh well, this is what I call volatility. Okay, guys. Let me wait a moment. I have a few trades, a few possible trades in mind. Just want to take it a little easy. I want to breathe out, and then I want to prepare. I want to get myself prepared for my next, for the next wave of trading. So wow, yeah, the Euro USD is dropping. Yeah, I like it. So the Europe Composite Index. Okay, so trade downwards. GBP USD, yes, the pound versus the US dollar. For down trade. Want to set a pending order here on the Euro AUD chart. 97. Okay, here it is. And yeah, let's give it a try. One more trade on Europe Composite Index in the downwards direction, because we are, yeah, I would say we are, okay, so kind of started going up a little bit. I don't know, this seemed to me like a breakdown, and we started trading under, so I don't know. So this might be the time for breakouts. Okay, so we can always wait out a little bit. Okay, we're not, or I'm not in a rush. I'm not limited in time. I can take as much time as I want. And yeah, so the Euro USD, I was trading near any strong level of support. Yeah, it's kind of near. We're still kind of like far away from that. 5, 6. Yeah, I don't really see any much support here. I've already set a pending order here, so I don't really need to set another one. Okay, I got a good question from Mustafa. What kind of market situation can I use big period or small period of moving averages? Well, it depends on your strategy, but I would say there are a few like canonic or standardized periods for simple moving averages, which are first of all 20, 50, 100, and 200. So these these simple moving averages with these periods, they pretty much kind of like help us identify either short-term trades or long-term trades, or maybe even mid-term trades. And we have also got a strategy called Friday, where we have got the combination of so not SMA but EMAs, so 3 EMAs, 5, 13, and 55. So with these simple moving averages, we have also we find kind of like the momentum in time, like the fast one, when the fast one crosses the, say, the slow one and the slowest one. So we are kind of like adjusting and trying, to figure out the momentum. But basically, yeah, these are the standard ones. So if you can elaborate a little bit on your question, I will try to answer it in a little bit more detail. Okay, so the Euro AUD opened. Okay, trade opened here. Basic dollar index. Yeah, so this might be my next trade here. So we've just crossed the 20 SMA, and I think now we have got this trend change. So let me go ahead and draw it for you. So yes, we had this ascending trade. We're broke under this level of support, and right now we're trading under. So let's have a look at how this this one closes. Yeah, I think in just a few minutes, maybe even before, we can start opening trades. So we kind of tried to push up with this one with Bitcoin, but the price just didn't go up, couldn't hold on to its gains, and now we are reversing for a downfall. And yeah, all the 3 indicators in this strategy are telling us to go down, to open trades downward. So here they are. All right, another question. What could be the fundamental things should we specifically focus on currency pairs? So when it comes to fundamental analysis and fundamental things, in my opinion, these things have to be taken into account only when you trade forex. Because when it comes to short-term trades, and I call this, you can call this scalping, or it's like really this really is short-term trading, right? You just open trades. I open trades for 3 minutes, right? I don't really need any sort of technical. I don't need any sort of fundamental analysis to predict where the price will go next within 2-3 minutes. The price will just totally ignore all the fundamental factors, or they will already be included in the price. So in this case, I don't really. All right, nice. Place the pending order, and it turned into a trade. Okay, so let's have a closer look at how this trade closes. I'm still 5 seconds to go on this one, and another profitable trade. Nice. Nicely done. And okay, so Bitcoin is not dropping. Okay, I don't really want to cancel this trade because it is so volatile that it can drop just within a minute. So no need to close that trade. So no signal here. Europe Composite Index just kind of going sideways, and there is no signal at all here. So let's wait for a resolution of that. And I think that I can go ahead and try opening a trade here. So outcat, AUDCAD, what's up with Bitcoin? All right. So unfortunately, no win here. Closing with a loss. How many trades do I have here? Okay, just one trade. Nice. And so the Euro USD. Right, so I don't really, okay, when it comes to trading and fundamental factors that have to be taken into account, I would say one factor is so time between 25 minutes of each hour and 35 minutes, in my opinion, is so not just in my opinion, but I'm talking from the experience. I'm talking from my experience, and it seems that this time is it's kind of like the time of breakouts. So even we can go ahead and check my stats in the first half of this webinar, where I mostly had, and this story continues over time. Started here, and yeah, this story just continues from webinar to webinar, and yeah, it's just this kind of like mid hour time. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes, and then I will see what I will do next with my trades, because I was thinking of opening a few more trades. So okay, a question from Mustafa. My problem is when I saw a start of down or uptrend, wait for reversal, but every time it went against me and it continued. How I trade reversal? So if you want to trade reversals, and reversals are a great thing to trade, and if you manage to kind of like catch these reversals, then you can pretty much take a good long ride on some of these trends, right? Fresh trends, you found them in the beginning. That's always nice and profitable to be in the beginning of a trend, things like that. So yeah, there are a few strategies that can help you out with this. And let me go ahead and okay, so I want to open a trade on basic dollar index. So strategies that can help you do that are triple rebound, just kind of showing you, works great on daily. So see, it helped identify by looking at the combination of 3 RSI indicators. You could open a trade, like potentially you could have opened a trade here and kind of kept it. Maybe yeah, I would. There is no way I would have like kept it all the way here. I would probably have closed it somewhere around here. And at the same time, you could have opened a trade here, so on daily time frame. So yeah, by looking at the indicators that are designed, so by looking at the oscillators that help you identify the levels of overbought and oversold. Basically, these are the areas and the moments of time when the market tells us that, hey, I've gone up a little bit too much. Now's the time for a reversal. The time for a reversal has come, so I'm ready to open trades downwards. Okay. Yeah, like this one. See. Okay, I'll just give you an example. We are overbought on gold, right? This RSI, okay, the RSI indicator, I think it's even easier than the rate of change indicator that we use in this strategy, in strategy called diving. And basically, yeah, just look, we have this red line. The value of this RSI is above this line. We are above the 70 line. The price is overbought. Okay, the price is overbought here. The price is overbought. So once again, here in the third indicator, which is the 21 RSI, and yeah, the time has come for a reversal. Might not happen from the first try, but definitely will happen eventually. Okay, so same with Bitcoin. Yeah, we're kind of like in this oversold area. So maybe now is the time for a reversal has come. Okay, yeah. Oh, sorry, 4 hours. I wanted daily time frame. Yeah. We were so much overbought in this area. Okay, I'm not talking about divergence, which is a very fantastic tool, a very fantastic signal that you can use also like here, like overbought. So yeah. Okay. So nice. 2 trades closed with a profit. Share the trade. Yeah, guys, you can also share the trades now if you want to. And yeah, let's go back to diving strategy. Here it is, enable, and here we are. So yeah, let's try this one. So the euro against the British pound. This one is above the midline. The slow one is as well above the midline, and we are trading above the 20 SMA. So yeah, all the 3 conditions are there. So that's it. Open a trade upward and hope that it closes with a profit. And I hope that this one closes with a profit too, because it really was in the overbought area. So went up too much, too fast. So almost. Jeez, like just why didn't you close with a profit? That was so near. Okay, okay. Well, anyways, So now the euro against the Australian dollar, and going down, making a pullback, and right on this pullback we can open a trade in the downwards direction. So yeah, I like that. The euro GBP, yes. So another trade here, or not a trade, another interesting situation here on the euro against the Canadian dollar. And here I don't see any signal because we are over, like we are under the line, under the midline here on the slow one, on the 7 ROC, and we are above the midline on the fast one. So that says, that means no signal. All right. So I wish I had opened this trade a little bit like closer to this 20 SMA. So in my opinion, also these like the 20 SMA or like any other simple moving average with a period of 20 and over, they act as strong levels of support and resistance. And when price comes close um, to them, that's when you want to open trades, because that gives some extra strength, extra support. Oh wow. Okay, I'm not gonna cancel this trade. I think it still has got a little bit potential and probably can close with a profit. The Euro GBP now. All right. Did we close with a profit? No, unfortunately. So that was very close, but still I would say that half of the time it stayed in the negative area. Okay. And yeah, so the Euro AUD. And the euro CAD. All right, so all these assets are in correlation with one another. So the euro, euro, euro. So the euro is on the first place in this quote, in this currency pair, I would say. And pretty much, yeah, they are in strong correlation with the euro USD. So if this area, if this price, if this asset starts dropping in price, then the other ones will follow. Okay, that was gold. Cannot really cancel this trade, and because I have less than 30 seconds left, so 12 seconds. All right, so unfortunately this one is not closing with profit as well. And I'm pretty much back to square one, looking at my profits and losses, and at the same time, yeah, I mean, like it's kind of pointless to like brag about these trades, but basically all these trades that I opened and the ones that I'm holding on Forex, all these trades, they come from our trading signals, and unfortunately we don't have that many trading signals. Today we've had just 3 so far, but I would say all of them, maybe the Euro USD, I don't know, would still be around the break-even, but still. All right, guys, my plan now is would be to open a few more trades. So Bitcoin, and these will be the final trades for today's webinar, like kind of like the Euro AUD upwards, and then so these Euro GBP, okay, Asia Composite. Okay, let's go Asia Composite, Commodity Composite, and no signal on the previous one, and no signal here. As you can see, this one is down, this one is up, this one is kind of trading just around the 20 SMA. and outcut, so AUD/CAD. All right, so 4 final trades, guys. I will be canceling this pending order because now the price is so far away from the intentional quote. Okay, so seems that someone is really pushing for. I'm just reading the chat, and yeah, someone's just really pushing for invest in platinum. Okay, that might be a useful piece of advice. I don't know. It's like you never know before you open a trade, before you actually make a trade. I want to open another one here, but I mean, yeah, looking at this from the say technical or kind of like fundamental view, I think yes, the demand for computer chips, for silicon, for platinum, for rare materials like lithium and maybe lithium producers will be going up, and all these electric vehicles like Tesla, and there are many other companies that also make electric vehicles. So I would say, yeah, guys, there are many things that you can invest in, and just kind of like watch the general sentiment about these industries. I would say now. Like currently, what's going on currently. Okay, and okay, you just have to differentiate, right? You can invest in, right? I've got stock PT, so stock PT, not making a big profit here. I don't know, it's kind of I don't really plan on selling this portfolio in the next years, maybe. I'll sell it in 5 years time. Don't really need to do anything with those stocks. In 5 years time, they will definitely be like so much higher. They will cost so much higher than now. Yes, this out of my final trades. 2 seconds to go on euro. This Asia Composite Index. 5 seconds to go, guys. I'm very excited and closing with a profit. Have got outcut, so AUD/CAD. I'm hoping that this one will close with a profit. Just want to have a nice closing of this webinar, guys. Area chart, and please just go down, please. Oh, did it? Okay, so almost closed with a profit. And my final trade, 30 seconds to go. The euro against the, wow, where are you going? Go south. Don't go north, go south. Okay, will be very interesting to watch. Well, anyways, I will be closing this webinar with a profit, definitely. Maybe not with a big one, but anyways, sometimes when you trade, or when I trade on my webinars, I do things a little bit faster than I do in my normal trading life, and I also have huge, I would say not huge comparing to like Warren Buffett, and just closing with a loss. I don't know. It's kind of like out of 5 last trades, 3 closed with a profit and 2 closed with a loss. Okay, it's kind of like we just didn't really go up here, right? The price where we opened, and yeah, it was just kind of like 50-50 here. And with the euro against the GBP, this trade was just a little bit more bitter, because it's just kind of like, I don't know, I think it's a little bit unfair, but that's market. What you're gonna do? Still enjoying these profits, and I don't know when I will close them. Gold, I think the time has come to close it at least partially. Well, I cannot really close it partially, but I'm pretty sure that 1,700, so 1,700 will be a very strong level of resistance, and I should probably close my trades now. So where did I start? I started here. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 winning trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not taking this one into account. 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 15 winning trades out of 25. Out of 28. That makes a 53.5% win ratio for today's trading with this strategy. Unfortunately, the last two trades closed with a loss. I was hoping they would change the picture to nice profits that I was having in the middle of the webinar. So, guys, thank you very much for your attention. I hope you liked our trading strategy. My goal was the task that I set for myself. The goal that I set for myself was to show you as many trades as I could, and I did open 28 trades within 45 minutes or so. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed my trading session, and so next week will be some other trading strategy, and so on Tuesday my colleagues will talk about this next strategy and theory in general, and they will explain the underlying principles of that next trading strategy, and I will show you how to trade, how to open trades, and I will show you many signals. I will give you many signals, and yeah, so thank you very much, guys, and I will see you very soon. Thomas signing out.